Welcome back, folks. Check it out. It's a 2013 Ram ST Express Crew Cab Hemi Power 4x4. 30 dealer service records. Not a speck of rust on this truck. Rockers are beautiful. All the seams are nice. Tailgate's nice. This is a really nice, well-maintained Hemi truck. Guaranteed credit approvals in full effect on this lady. And we're going to start the down payment at $11.95. Real nice tires, fresh brakes, all serviced up, ready to go. Non-smoker, no accidents, 30 dealer service records, Hemi powered truck, and she's a crew. And she's guaranteed credit approval, and she's right now today. Come on down, DasCleveland.com, 5333 Lorraine Avenue. $11.95 starting down payment on the right truck. See you soon.